Oh, good afternoon and welcome to our lesson. Today we are actually going to deal with writing composition, and this composition that is I narrowed down to writing minutes. So minutes, this is just like writing a given event or a given topic on certain things that has to be very clear and outstanding. So minutes is what is recorded as the true discussions and decisions of a meeting. So minutes, just in simple terms, it's just the true discussions and the decisions of a given meeting. So minutes are written during the meeting. So the format of minutes is as follows. The first thing is the heading or the title. So the heading contains the name of the group, venue, time and date. So some of the things that are contained in the title or in the head of a given minute is the time, the date, venue and the name of the group, and then it should be written in capital letters. Mark that. Next we go to attendance. So attendance, here you can say the first on this list should be names of members present. So this should indicate the roles of the officials. That is, so when you are listing the first people, you have to begin with the officials. For example, the chairperson, the chair lady, then the secretary. Of the secretary, we have to go to the treasurer. So those are some of the things that are written under attendance. So under attendance also, we have those who are present. Then also we have those who are absent. Then under the absent, the ones who are absent, there are those absent with apology and there are those absent without apology. So those things are so important and they should be put into fact that if you write your composition without any of those listed things contained in attendance, you may end up scoring lowly. Then we have preliminaries. So preliminaries, this is always the first agenda in each meeting. So it includes a welcome note from the chairperson and a prayer from a member present in the meeting. So the preliminaries, this is generally the introduction of that meeting or the introduction of that meeting that the people had attended. So in the preliminaries, where you have to find that maybe there was an opening prayer, then the chairperson did this and that. Yes. Then we go to reading of previous minutes. So obvious, after the other meeting, after one of the meeting that has occurred previously, so they will be reading and confirmation of the past meeting, the minutes of the past meeting, that is. Then you have matters arising. Obvious, you have the issues coming up under that subtopic. Then a new business, you can say new business, maybe there's something that you have come up with, that is it. Or you can say these are new items to be discussed. Then we have A or B. A or B is where is in full is just any other business. So anything apart from what you are discussing. Then we have the next meeting. So you have to indicate the date. Obviously, you have to say the meeting will take place where, the time, and that is. Then you have adjournment. Adjournment, then here you have, this is where you end your composition. So the time when the meeting has ended is written down and any other important comment from the chairperson